Moi Kaki! Ako nga pala si Giselle. Kung bago ka lang dito sa page namin, we are a Filipino family living and building our quiet, beautiful life here in Finland. Moved here just a year ago, starting completely from scratch. Tapos ngayon, I'm currently studying practical nursing. And guys, grabe, I survived my very first week of my first ever Koti Hoito internship. This will last for 8 weeks and I'm learning so much already. So what do we actually do in Koti Hoito? We actually visit patients right in their homes, give daily support when needed, and help manage their medications. Dati akala ko ang dali ng trabaho ng mga nurse. Hindi pala. Very challenging pero fulfilling. Idagdag pa natin ang napakahirap na Finnish language. So salute to all the nurses all over the world. Kung gusto nyong masubaybayan ang journey ko as a student nurse, mom, wife, and a part-time worker here in Finland, follow along. Tayo, paano kayo nagsimula sa mga bago nyong pangarap?